Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to put entrepreneur on Instagram bio. So let's begin. So as you can see here that we are already inside our Instagram profile. So to put entrepreneur on our Instagram bio, first of all what we have to do, we have to tap on these three lines what we have on the top right side. And now what we have to do, we have to scroll down. You will be able to see the option of account type and tools. So we have to tap on that. And here the first thing that we have to do is to switch our account to the professional account. So we'll tap on that. And now we will be able to configure our professional account. So we're going to tap on next. And from here, we can select the category of entrepreneur. So we're going to select the entrepreneur. Says we want to display this on our profile. So we'll enable this option and we'll tap on switch to professional account. And now we have to select the creator here. Since the entrepreneur is kind of a creator here. So we're going to tap on next. We're going to disable this option. Tap on next now. Now we can add all of these details to set up our professional account properly. So right now we don't need this. So you can simply tap on this cross icon. And now you'll be able to see entrepreneur on our Instagram bio. So this is how we can do this. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.